Garfield with Paver Perfection here. Coming to you live from Jupiter, Florida this morning. We got us a strip job, baby. My favorite kind, you know? I'll go ahead and spray that tidal wave spray on this bad boy. Get that dwell time started. Oh yeah, that thing's gonna eat it up. I'll go ahead and put that 21 GPM on this bad boy this morning. Put that Ripinator to use. Get this thing stripped off. Hit it up with the TRIDENT 1, 2, 3. Get it rinsed down and prepped out, man, for some tan sand and 2 coats of that Cat 5 tomorrow. This one's a wrap, baby. Look at that sheen. Well, you can't even see the sheen on this thing, man. The camera does it no justice. This thing is beautiful.